Eggs?
Not Paul.
No. There's your daddy. Can you say hi?
Come on, Leah.
Okay. Wait.
Boy, Zach didn't want to get off of that big wheel. He climbed right on Leah's back.
Are we ready?
Oh.
Here, Zachy. Come on, basket. My pink basket.
Well, I'm gonna let Zach have that one. I'm gonna let you have this. Here they come. Here they come. Look around for the eggs. Look around for the treats.
Hey, Paul, look in the swing.
Oh, Daddy, well, you're helping already.
Zach. Zachary, look on your swing. Look on your swing. Okay, Leah, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay.
You can take it. She can have two.
How many she got so far? Okay.
Your basket.
Two. I just got two.
Those don't stay together very well. They pop open in the.
Hey, Leah, honey.
Go out. Go out.
Baby, I do.
Okay, you. Yep.
Just one more.
Okay, Polly, don't go up there yet. Polly.
I see lots of.
Okay, Paul, take a look at the tree. Yeah, don't be going up there. Got it?
Leah, look at the steps.
My,
Oh, you already found one.
back here.
Polly.
Back
Oh, come here. Look at one of those. Oh, we have found one. Rosebud, are you getting some and keeping some?
Find something, Zach?
Let me see what you got, Paul.
Wow,
One.
He's got four already.
who does? Paul?
Oh, yeah. You finding them, aren't you?
I see one.
Why don't you go get it?
This one feels full.
Hey, Paul. Paul.
Paul's found one.
Hey, I see it.
That's
I
it.
see a fire. More, Dad?
I don't think so.
You're hungry. Okay.
Where else, Dad? Where else are
Let's see how many you got.
Let's count them up here. We might have them all now.
Paul has five.
I think there's still one down by the garage.
Zach found one down by the garage.
Look at them.
Let's count them. How many do you got, Leah?
Yeah, don't open them all at once.
4, 5, 6.
7. I'm just kidding.
3, 6, and Paul had 5, so that's 11,
Yeah.
12, 13, 14, 15.
Got them all?
Got them all.
Good job.
I got the mouse.
I bet you did.
Zach was going to eat his chocolate.
Look at him
one,
trying
but
to
he
get
didn't want to take the
Zachy.
cookie out.
Zachy, open your own. Look.
Kathy, take
Whoa.
the cookie out of his mouth.
Yay.
He got a chocolate egg out and didn't know what to do with it, so he put it back in.
Candy egg. Cool. Yeah. Jelly.
So you like jelly beans?
Give it to Mommy then. Well, I guess he likes it better than that.
Yeah.
What you got, Zachy?
Woo!
Zach, look. This is a candy egg.
Yeah.
He's all right. He'll move it over.
I can find it. Dirty.
What's dirty?
Candy.
As dirty as you are, I don't
Here,
like
Mommy.
Here, can you unwrap it, Paul?
Here, Mommy.
Oh, I think he's giving it to you.
You want it for me?
Thank
Wow,
you,
thank
Paul.
you.
That was nice.
How did you hide them so quick?
Grandma fixed those Up
When
last
you
night.
called, I just got out of the shower. I hadn't shaved. I've been working all morning. I'm sweating. And
What do you say,
I
Paul?
was afraid that if we didn't start until 1, they, of course, I don't know what time it is. Maybe it's already 1.
Daddy.
22.
Daddy.
Okay, honey,
Let's
don't.
not throw the papers on the ground.
I put mine in my basket.
Okay.
That's good.